Are you ready, everyone? Okay, okay, question number 2. Okay, question number 2. Number 1, I think it's kind of simple. Number 1 is kind of simple. For those who missed this, okay, let me do again lah, just in case for those who are absent. Okay, for those absent, I do it again. At least you know what is going on. So basically, this subtopic is very simple. We just want to play with your hand. So it's a hand rule. Okay, we just have to play with your hand. Okay, it's a hand rule. Okay, it's a bit blur. Okay, never mind. I let you see what is my background. Then we'll be clear. Okay. Still got people coming in. Let's do a Batman. Okay. Okay, Subhan masuk. Okay, dah. Good. Okay, what is going on is like that. Okay, as I told you that in order to learn this, your hand is very important. Your right hand. So in order to use that, especially the solenoid, the wire coil, so it's good for you to have an arrow. Good for you to have an arrow. Okay? Good for you to have an arrow. Let me adjust the height of this first. Please don't give me problem. Thank you. I love you. Okay. A bit more. Okay, nice. Okay. So you have to use your hand in a proper way. What's the best way? As I told you already on Friday, draw an arrow here. So one more time, I sacrifice this for you. Let me draw another arrow here. All right, another one will be here. Okay, so that's how you go. That's an arrow. Can you see? All right, that's an arrow now. So you have to grip your hand in order to do this thing. Okay, now what is happening now? You have to grip your hand in order to do this. Okay, first of all, you have to know the direction of the current flow. I already told you that. Okay, saya ada beritahu kamu dah. So you have to know the direction of the current flow. So current is flow from the positive to the negative. They're coming out. As I told you that, they go here. So apa berlaku? They will go here, go down, go down, go down, go down, go down, go down, and go the other side. Then will go up, up, all the way up. So then they will go back to the negative. Understand not? Go back to the negative. So this is basically, as I told you before, if you remember, still got people coming in. Just wait for a while. So that's why, as I told you before, this is very, very, very important for you to know how to use your hand. Bagaimana nak guna tangan anda. As I told you that your hand, right, semasa kita nak gunakan your hand by using what we call referring to the solenoid. Kalau mengikut kepada solenoid, you grip, okay, your grip is the current flow. Okay, the grip is the current flow. Understand what I mean by that? Let me show you one more time. Let me show you one more time. Apa akan laku? Again, I'm going to bring to my back screen so that I can do together with you. Okay, as usual, give me some time. I need to bring out the screen to my green screen at the back. The back is a green screen actually. Okay. Just give me some time. I bring it up. So please give my finger crossed. Zoom, don't give me problem today. I love you, Zoom. Zoom, I love you, Zoom. All right. I heard that next week the school might reopen. So get ready for that. Okay, get ready. School might reopen next week. Okay, that's what you have. Right. Okay. Okay, now you see what happened as I told you that. In order to do that, it's very simple. Let me make myself. Announcement good. Not yet announced. We wait and see. I heard that some of my friends work in the MOE. They told me they're still planning how to do it. So you wait for the latest announcement. Okay, you wait for the latest announcement. I heard that only Hopefully we see how it go Kalau the virus is under control. Okay, come back to this. As I told you that, still got people coming in. Sorry. But if they announce next week, we still have to wait for 2 more weeks, right? Yeah, I'm also not sure also. They also not sure. So everyone is still in the plan. So we wait and see lah. Okay. Are we going to back to normal or not? We also not sure. Hopefully lah. Hopefully as soon as possible. I also wish to see you in person also. Okay, come back to this. You see, the current come to here as I told you. Use your hand. Okay. This time is a bit near for me. I think you can see that my hand. You can see the arrow is here. So the arrow is like this. So it's not true. The arrow must be like this. You can see this is an arrow. Okay, this is an arrow. So arrow must go down. So arrow at the back is going up, front is coming down. So arrow, you can see my hand arrow, and this arrow is exactly this. I don't want to move the camera today. I'm afraid I disturb the zoom later. Di kacau saya. So, okay, I hope you understand. Last week I did move the camera, so now I don't want today. Today not a good day for me. So you can see the arrow and the arrow is the same. So what you do, you raise your thumb. Your thumb representing the North Pole, thumb representing the North Pole. So bermakna, as I told you before, on on this hand rule is very simple. So now it means that this is going to be the North Pole. Oops, what's wrong? Okay, this is going to be the North Pole, and this is going to be the South. Okay, this is what happened on this side. So on the other side, pula macam mana? On the other side, how are you going to work? So basically, it's the same thing. Yeah, got people coming in. You see this one? You have to move your hand like this. You can see my arrow in my hand. This arrow and this arrow is exactly the same. It's exactly the same. Understand or not? So raise your thumb. Confirm. Sini mesti north. Your thumb is a north. Kalau sini north, sini mesti south. Okay? So bermakna, so this is going to be a south. Wait, what's wrong? Bad feng shui today. Okay, this is going to be the south. Is it okay? Write down your notes for those missed this part. And question number 2, I'm going to do it now with you. Quick, Sudah? So y is enough. Yes, correct. Y is enough. The y is enough. Because even the both side, you can see this side like that. So it's enough. Double confirm. This side also like that. So confirm. This part is enough. This is a south. This is a south. Okay? Can I? All right. Let's look at number 2. Number 2, I know you are not the only one who say that. Actually, a lot of my students also say this number 2 is a bit confusing. What they want. Okay, let me show you now. Okay, ready? Done. Okay, now what the question asking for? You see, complete the diagram by drawing the connecting wires and the winding of the coil around the soft iron core so that the A is a north pole, B is a south pole. So what is going on is like that. You see this one, right? This question is a bit different, I would say, because the question never asks you, dia tak suruh kamu cari north pole, south pole. In fact, they already mentioned where's the north and south. But what they want you to do is draw the wire. They want you to draw the what? Draw the wire. Understand or not? And what is going on is like that, okay? According to the question saying that, dia nak kamu buat wire supaya, they say, so that the A is a north pole. That means they want here to be a north pole. Okay? That means you have to draw the wire over this side so that this is a north pole and this must be the south, obviously. And B is a south pole. That means this side must be the north pole. That means according to this requirement of this question, you are not required to find a pole, but they give you the pole already. But you need to draw the wire. Okay, you need to draw the wire. How we are going to do that? So my personal advice for you is look at this question. Okay, look at this question. The best way to solve this question is by rotating this question. Rotate this question in terms of 90 degree. Let me do another one for you over here so that you can see the comparison. Wait, just give me a sec. I bring down another notes. Okay. Okay. You see, instead of doing this, you turn this question like this. Okay. It means that you're looking at this question in this way. They will be much more easier for you. Okay, this one move a bit first. Okay, like this. It's much more easier then. Okay, why? I will let you know why. Okay, I will let you know why. Okay, according to the requirement of the question, according, let's say we have someone coming in. According to the requirement of the question, what they want you to make a wire so that this is a north pole, this is a south pole, right? And this is the south pole, this is a north pole. Okay, so this is a requirement. Ini adalah permintaan soalan. And of course, right, you cannot turn the screen, don't force it. Of course, if you're able to print this out yourself, if this is the printing paper, you just print out and turn your question paper will do. Understand or not? Jangan turn your screen. Okay, nanti you punya phone pun rosak. Okay, nanti laptop pun rosak. Understand or not? You just rotate the entire printing paper only. Okay, if you print out the notes, I want you to look at the question like this. Okay, then I will bring out to the back, okay, my backdrop to discuss with you how you're going to draw the wire. Okay, based on this particular question. But this question is kind of interesting, I would say. Okay, oops. Oopsie. Oopsie. Oops. Okay. All right. Okay, let me bring it out now. Okay. Okay, now what is going on is like this. So my screen is too small today. Okay, it's okay. Look at this. Okay, this is the most important part now. What they want from there is this one, they want to be a north pole. They want to be a south pole here. North pole, south pole. Correct or not? And this one south pole, north pole. And you are required to draw the wire. But you must understand how we're going to wind up the wire. Kalau kamu masih ingat for the last week lesson and last Friday lesson, as I told you before, winding of the wire in the solar knot, you have to make sure you can differentiate the front and the back. How they wind it at the front and also at the back. Depan belakang, it makes a big difference. It makes a big difference. Understand? In terms of the magnetic pole. Okay, what it means is, let me look at it. You see, they want you to do a north pole, they want you to do a south pole. Am I right? So now you must, according to your hand, your hand say that the thumb is a north pole, you know. That means that for this part, right, I only look at the A. This is the metal A. But look at this part, what you're going to do? You have to make sure your thumb is pointing this side. Am I right? Because this is a north pole. Remember, the thumb is a north pole. So you point here. Correct or not? When you do like that, right, you look at your hand now. How your finger is spinning now. How your finger is spinning. Okay, you see, I want you to look at your hand like this. Okay, look at the hand. Just imagine you look at the hand. So when you're observing your hand, right, I grip it. This is my front. This is my back. Please, as I told you before, you must do it now. Follow me, but don't look at me. You follow whatever I say. You have to look at your own hand. Don't look at my hand. You look at my hand, you might be confusing. You see, one more time. The moment you grip, right, what you can see, this part of the hand, right, you can see the arrows are going up. This is coming down. So when I look at my hand like this, I will call it front up, back down. Front up, back down. You get my point? Front up, back down. If I turn my hand the other way, I look at this part, I will call it back up, front down. Back up, front down. They follow the flow of the arrow on your hand. Okay, now you see from here. Since my north is over that side, so I have to turn like this. When I turn like this, I look at my hand. What's my hand? My hand now is what? Front up, back down. Front up, back down. That means that I have to make sure that, okay, let me write over here now. I need to make sure that this piece of metal, right, this part of the metal, I need to make sure that the front part of the metal, right, current should goes up. The back of it must come down. What I mean by this, I will explain to you again later. But I just want you to understand how I got the front up, back down is because my hand gesture. Okay, so disebabkan oleh genggaman tangan saya like this. I grip. Understand or not? The thumb is over there, so I grip. Is it okay? So front up, back down. Okay, this one now. Now they want north is over here. You know, if north is over here, you have to turn it the other side. You turn the other side. Now you can see your thumb is over here. So when you look at your hand now, you look at your hand. What happened? This is back up, front down. This is back up, front down. Is it okay? So bermakna di bahagian ini you need a back up, front down. Bahagian ini is front up, back down. This is back up, front down. Okay or not? So bermakna you need this one for this metal. You need a front must go down, the back must go up. Okay, you got my point or not? Until now, I haven't drawn the wire yet. As I said, our main objective is to draw the wire winding. Saya belum lukis lagi ya. So until now, you know what am I talking about? Anyone don't know, ask a question now before I move on. Please, you want me to repeat? You let me know. Okay, hurry up. In 30 seconds. Meanwhile, off mic first. Oh, someone requests to repeat? Can, no problem. Okay, first of all, as I said, you must understand your hand. Okay, you might understand your hand. Okay, yeah. Someone said repeat number 2. Can, I'm repeating now. As I said, you must look at your hand. Okay, that's why I say it's good. You must have an arrow. It's good that you must have an arrow. So when you look at the arrow now, front, okay, you grip front of the arrow. You can see the front of the arrow is like going up. The back is coming down. One. If you look at your hand like this, front up, back down. The other way, back up, front down. Back up, front down. Front up, back down. Okay or not? You look at this one. How this thing gonna work? This one, how I know gonna place my hand or not? So I have to make sure that you understand the thumb is the North Pole. The thumb is the North Pole. So you have to turn your hand like this. Okay, you turn your hand like this. Let me stand on the other side. This part is a bit narrow. Wait, my bag is on the floor. Okay, I go this side. Okay, so you see, from this one, my hand is gonna be like this. You see the thumb is here. You look at this hand. You look at the arrow here. What you will see? The front is the arrow is going up. My back of my hand is coming down. You see my hand at the back is going down. So front up, back down for this metal. For this one. Okay, for this one. Front up, back down. Okay, front up, back down. Is it okay? This one is different. This one, the north is there. So my hand had to go the other way. Okay, I think I go that side. Yeah, like this. North is here. So when you look at your hand, the back of this hand, the back of your hand is going up. The front is coming down. So back up, front down. Okay? Can or not? Can. So please, you must use your hand to put. So when you answer the question, imagine it's a question paper, you put like that, put like that. That's why I want you to rotate the question so they can see. Otherwise, very hard to see like that. So you rotate, then you will see it. Okay or not? Anyone? Any other question? Now carry on. You've no question? Don't need me to repeat again? Boleh? Good. Okay, the screen is a bit small. Sorry. As I say, normally Monday I'm not at home. Okay, can? All right, kalau boleh. Got it. Okay, good. Okay, now I gotta draw the wire now. Okay, can? I gotta draw it on the whiteboard now. Okay, don't look at the back. Don't look at my back screen. Okay, I know how to use that. I gotta do this now on the whiteboard. Okay, look at the virtual whiteboard. Okay, now you see. Okay, first of all, I use a red pen, represent the wire. Okay, this is positive terminal, this is negative. Am I right? Current must come out. Listen first, don't copy, don't copy. Current must come out from the positive to the negative. Correct or not? Okay, let's say the wire is like this. Let's say the wire will come to the first part of the metal. Okay, listen now, don't copy. Just look at how I do it first. Okay, first of all, ladies and gentlemen, you must understand. Still got student coming in. So you must understand what's a requirement now. Front, up, back, down. Remember, this method block A is have to be a front, up, back, down. Front, up, back, down. So in the mind, you must understand this wire is coming now. So you must think the wire, the current is coming down now, correct or not? So how should I place this wire? Should I place this wire in front of the metal or behind the metal? I repeat, where should I place this wire now? Shall I put this wire in front of the metal or at the back of the metal? According to my requirement here, okay? According to my requirement here is front, up, back, down. The front, up, back, down referring to the flow of the current. Front, up, back, down. So the current is coming down now. Back is to go down, right? So that means this wire have to draw at the back of this metal. Understand? How to draw the back? This is how I show you now. So the wire, I will continue from here. I will draw like this. So that the current go to the back is going down, the front become going up. Can you see that? So this is exactly what I called it, front, up, back, down. Can you see that? It's a front, up, back, down. Okay or not? You got my point? Okay, how many winding you want to draw is up to you. Because the question never say anything. Because the number of winding, right, it determine the strength of the magnet only, kekuatan magnet. So itu dia tak sebut apa-apa. So we no need to bother first. Understand or not? Then only the wire will continue on the other side. Correct or not? Now they continue to the other side. Ooh, my screen is dropped. Oopsie. Screen is too excited. Whole thing come down. Okay? Can I? Okay. Okay, next thing, of course, is the wire continue. Okay, before I go to the next one, is it okay for this? This metal bar A is considered done. Okay or not? Okay, next one is the wire is continue. Now you see, go to metal bar B already. Okay, metal bar B. Okay, bar B. Bar B. Don't be sensitive, bar B. Metal bar B. Okay. What is the thing between the two magnet, the soft angle? Oh, nothing. It just normally, right? You see, I think you're asking for this part. What is the thing of this? Someone asked, what is the thing of this? Basically, it's nothing one. It's just like we need two. You just imagine that two metal cannot be floating like that, right? You have to be connected in one whole piece like that. So the wire can wind up. It's just like that. Nothing much. Okay, nothing much. Someone asked what is the metal there. Okay. Can I? Okay, come back to this. The metal bar B. All right. So for the metal bar, the second metal bar that we have over here, okay, the second metal bar that we have over here, what there's a requirement. Still have some. Okay, still have someone coming in. Wait now. Okay, someone asked me, teacher, if my shape is not like what you draw, but arrow same, it's okay. Shape doesn't matter. Is it considered wrong? No. The shape I mean is a wire position, but the arrow is correct. Arrow correct is okay already. Arrow correct is okay. Okay, arrow is correct is okay. I know some people, they will draw this type, right, like this. For example, this is a metal bar. For example, this is a metal bar. For example, A. I saw some people like they send a print screen for me. They draw like that. I'm sorry, something like that. Something like that. Okay, it's okay also. As long as the arrow is the most important one. The current flow. Okay, as long as the current flow is correct, that is good enough. Okay, now the next metal bar. Where should I put the wire now? Requirement is here. This is a requirement now. Front, down, back, up. So this wire, where should I draw? Should I draw in front or at the back? Should I draw in front or at the back? Definitely you can see the front, right? Because the front must go down. So the wire you're going to draw is like this. Like this, so that the front go down. So another wire I draw, let's say, oops, a bit too big, a little more, not enough space. Okay, so another one, let's say I draw like this. Okay, Sorry, like this. So another one, maybe I draw another one. Then you go back to the negative. Okay, you draw like this. Is it okay? So that is complete the whole question already. Understand? Okay, write it down quick into your notes. Okay, any question? You can ask. Oh, can I explain one more time? Can. Which part? You want A or B? Okay, this KD student, you want A or B? B, okay, can. Okay, let me erase it lah. I do again, okay? No worry for those copying, okay? I will draw again one. Okay, let me erase first because I know some of you confused. Okay, you see, just now what happened is like that lah. Just now what happened is we stop here, correct or not? So now imagine the current is coming now. So according to the requirement of the meter bar B, this is a requirement. Ini ada permintaan dia, which is, oops, why like that? Microsoft lah, don't be too smart like you. Okay, which is the front current must go down, the back current must go up. You see, this current is coming down already. If I draw this at the back, that means the front gonna be like this. If I draw like this, so the front becoming going up. This is not the one I want. I want front go down. I want front go down. If you draw like this, the front become going up. So in order to get the front to go down, I have to make sure this wire must place it in front like this so that the current going down. Let me draw one more wire here. You can imagine that the current go down to the front, they go to the back, then the front go down again, then they go to the back, then they go back to the negative. Okay, that is what is supposed to happen lah. Is it okay? Why I draw like that? All because of the requirement of the question. And why the requirement go that way? Because of my hand, the hand rule. That's why the right hand is very important. Don't use the left hand. Left hand, you go out already. Okay, copy down quick. Then I'll go question number 3. Some people ask, so what's the thing at the back of you? Don't bother lah, all these things. Jangan, okay? Just look at the screen, okay? Don't bother, okay? Maybe some of you already know, okay? What I do for a living, okay? Okay, done? Done, huh? Sudah? Okay, once it's done, then I'm going to go on to question 3. You do good business for a living. No lah. Cari makan je. Saya orang miskin. Everyone know that. Okay, next question. Okay, question 3. All done, huh? All right, question number 3. Hey, question number 3, why there's an extra thing over there? So is that a Barbie doll behind you? No, it's not a Barbie doll, okay? Please, I don't bother lah, all this thing, okay? All the useless one, okay? Jangan tengok. This question 3 diagram, there's some extra dot over there. Let me use my liquid paper. Liquid paper. I use liquid paper to erase it. That I have liquid paper. Okay, sudah? Okay, look at question 3. What they want. Ready? Okay, draw the magnetic field pattern. What I mean magnetic field pattern? The lines. When you put the powder on it, the lines. Okay. By the solenoid when the switch is closed. Switch closed mean on. Close mean on. When the switch is closed, okay, on. And state the direction shown by each of the compasses. Okay, what it mean by that? You can see the question over here. Let me explain to you about the diagram first. Okay, first of all, you can see that, okay, first of all, on the right-hand side of the diagram, you can see with this thing. So apa benda ni, sir? Okay, what is this about? What is this about? So basically, that this is the four major direction of the earth. Four major direction. That means that there's a north, there's a south, there's a east, there's a west. Okay, four major direction. And as you can see that the three compasses is placed around here. Okay, and you can see the arrow of the compasses, right, is all pointing upward. Semua tunjuk atas. Mengapa? Because if nothing happen, right, the compass should follow the earth direction. They should follow the earth direction if nothing goes wrong. This is earth four major direction of the earth. So kalau tak ada apa-apa berlaku, compass will show and according to the earth direction. As you can see from 1, 2, 3 compasses. Okay, ketiga-tiga kompas pun menunjuk kepada arah utara. Is it okay? And if you remember, we know very well what happened is, once there's a current flow in the wire, it will turn into a magnet. Kalau ada magnet di sekitaran compass, if there's a magnet in the surrounding area of the compass, what will happen? Compass pointer will deflect. Dia akan dipesongkan. Apakah pemesongannya? We will find out. Kita akan cuba cari. Understand or not? But before that, okay, in order to start this question, what you need to do, how to start? Okay, that's why I always tell my student, no matter how tough is a question in physics, you just go through few steps only. Step number 1, how to start. Step number 2, how to continue. Step number 3, what is the answer? If you're able to go through these 3 steps, your life will be easy. First of all, how to start? To start the question, you must know the direction of the current flow. Okay, direction of the current flow. Okay, let me erase this. How does the current flow? Imagine if I connect the wire already. This is a positive terminal, this is negative. Current flow from the positive to the negative. Okay, current is flowing from the positive to the negative. Understand or not? Okay, now what is going on? Okay, what is going on now? You see, when the current is coming to here, okay, follow the screen. Don't copy first. Follow whatever I'm going to write on the, not this screen. Follow whatever I'm going to write on the virtual whiteboard. Okay, so the current is coming down. They go to the back first according to this wire. So this is going upward, upward, upward. Okay, all up. I don't want to draw so much. Just understand that. So then they will go up. Then they will go back to the negative terminal. Correct or not? So once there's a current flow, it will turn into a magnet. So what is a magnet direction? You can use a hand to find out. Please find out yourself now. I give you 1 minute. Okay, which is the north, which is the south? So the left or right, which is the north and south? Okay, the left is the north or south, the right is the north or south. Find out. Right hand. Try. It's a practice for you. Quick. Okay, for those who answer me, so far, you're all correct. For those who answer me, I don't want to tell the answer now, of course. I just want to see what's the response first. Mostly all correct. Correct. For those who are typing the answer, you are correct. So far, no one make mistake. So far, so good. Semua betul? Good. That's how you use the right hand. Make sure you use the correct hand. Tangan betul, memang tak ada masalah. Tangan salah, lingkup. Okay or not? The rest, I got almost 80 over students. Only around 20 of them give me the answer. How about the rest? You tak faham ke, tak tahu ke, tak nak jawab ke, ataupun sudah tidur ke? Someone just gave me left. Left is what? Okay? Did you use the hand in the correct way? Okay, good. So far, so good. So far, so good. Okay, so far, so good. Okay, very good. You use the correct way. Very good. Okay, very good. Thank you. Thank you for a response. So if you use the correct way with your hand, you will know very well. So far, everyone is correct. This is gonna be the North Pole. This is gonna be the South Pole. All right. For those who can't get, let me know. Okay. Actually, it's not that difficult. You look at the wire, right? The front part of the wire like going up. The front part of the wire is like going up. You look at your hand now, you grip. So this is going up, correct or not? Raise your thumb. Left hand side is a north. If you turn like that, your front part is going down. The front part is going down. That's why this arrow, please, super important. So this arrow is going down. Understand or not? This is going down. So cannot like that. So arrow going up here. Okay. So that means the side north, the side south. Okay. First part. Second part, they also want you to do what? Compass deflection. Okay. The compass deflection. What happened to the compass? Apa berlaku pada compass? Okay. Let me explain on this side of the board. For those who are with me from the beginning until now, basically, we are already learning online 2 months already. Today is considered 2 months, end of the 2 months already. Because this is considered second month, the fourth lesson. Okay, 2 months already. You see, the time really flies. Gila. Memang pantas gila. Understand or not? Already 2 months. For those who are with me from the beginning until now, you know that, okay, about the behavior of the compass. Compass behavior. I told you that compass sebenarnya you tahu in there is a compass. There's an arrow inside the compass. And this arrow is always point to the north. Mengapa macam tu? Sebab kamu kena bayangkan dalam compass sebenarnya merupakan satu magnet ke dalam. There's a magnet inside. What pole is that? This is a North Pole. This is a South Pole. So basically, you have a North Pole and South Pole magnet. You put an arrow on top of this. So they will turn into a what? A compass. Means that the arrow, anak panah itu sebenarnya merupakan apa? Kutub utara magnet. Kutub utara magnet. Understand or not? Is that clear? Now you go back to the question again. Kalau sini sudah menjadi north, if this is turned into a north, I'm talking about the left hand side, this part. If this is the north, so what will happen to this compass? The compass pointer will change. Change to what? Let me use my liquid paper. Liquid paper kan ni dulu. So they're becoming a what? Let's say a compass here. So that will happen. The arrow will point to the left. Why the arrow point to the left? Because north magnet is attracting the south. Okay, remember the end of the arrow is a south. Is it okay? Can Not yet. How about the compass on your right hand side? Again, let me liquid paper kannya. Okay, I have liquid paper. Okay, so now imagine kalau saya ada compass kat sini, mana dia akan tunjuk? Same thing, point to the left. Mengapa? Sebab south attracting the north. Lastly, I told you before, for those in my class, I told you before, what will happen to the compass will located exactly in between north and south. Sebab north is attracting the south, south attracting the north, the compass pointer will point to the right. Because north here is attracting the south. The south here is attracting the north. That's why the arrow turned flat. Okay? Write it down into your notes first. Tapi belum habis lagi ya. Soalan ni belum habis lagi. Okay? There's still a few more parts. Done? Sorry, sir. Can you repeat? I missed a little of the explanation. Which one? The compass. Sir, kena liquid ke arrow kat kertas tu? Up to you lah. Kalau you nak liquid, so that you can write another arrow on top lah. Up to you. Okay, Up to you. As long as the new arrow must be like that. Okay, let me do again. Bagian tak faham tu. Okay, you see. Kalau dia tak ada magnet, if there's no magnet, compass akan mengikut bumi. They follow the earth. And disebabkan ada magnet, compass akan tukar. Okay, you see, liquid or the compass first. Okay. So apa yang berlaku is like that. You might understand that the north, right, is always attracting the south. That's for sure. And refer back to the compass idea that I mentioned just now. In the arrow, this part is a north magnet. And this part must be the south magnet. Okay? That is a compass. So come back to the question. North must attract the south. So if this is a compass, north attracting the south, that means they will attract the end of the arrow. Is it okay? Same thing go with here. If this is a compass, south will attract the north. That means they will attract the pointer. Okay, the pointer is the north. Same thing go with here. If I put a compass over here, there's an arrow. But north is attracting, the north is attracting the south. South is attracting the north. Where's the north, where's the south of the compass? North is an arrow. South is the end of the arrow. Got it? Okay, I hope I answer you that. Okay or not? So for SJ student, compass quite tak faham. Sekarang okay tak? So is it when the compass point to north, is actually point to south in earth? Yes, I told you before, right? I told you before. For this DJ student, so for the SJ student, you say the compass quite tak faham. Is it okay now? You want me to do again? Let me know. Okay, yeah, good. Okay, we got one more part to go for this question. We have one more part to go. Ada lagi. Belum habis. Okay, which part is that? You can see for the question. They also want you to draw what? Magnetic field pattern. Oh, tebaunya. Sorry, yeah. Okay, magnetic field pattern. Okay, medan magnet. Okay, how to do? Okay, I don't want to mess up the diagram. I use a green pen. Green pen. Color not important. Please just to let you know ni. So how to do that? I told you before. Ada satu magnetic field mesti keluar daripada north. North keluar. North keluar like that. This is called a magnetic field pattern. South mesti come in. South must come in. South going in. Is it okay? And magnetic field juga bergerak pada north pergi ke south. Okay, from the north, it go all the way to the south. Is it okay? Jot this down into a note. Any question, let me know. Yeah. Okay, Adam. Sorry, I did not minum air. Kalau saya tak off mic nanti orang kata apa ASMR. Okay, sudah belum? Okay, done. All right. Question number 4. Tengok apa dia nak. Okay, sudah. Sir, why the magnetic field always go to the south? This one I explained with you before one. Magnetic field direction is follow compass direction. Can you see the field direction is follow the compass? Can you see that? You see, the arrow of this compass is pointing to the left. That's why you can see the field is from north coming out one. South, right, is going in because of compass. The direction of the field is follow the compass pointer one. They follow compass pointer. This one I explained with you before at the beginning of this chapter. Okay, I think you missed this part now, this KD student. Try to recall back. Okay or not? Done, All right, number 4. For each case, draw the magnetic field line. Magnetic field line means the line coming out lah. Remember, north go out, south come in. North go out, south come in. Around the end of the soft core. okay, when the current is switched on and label the polarity of the electromagnet. Okay, same thing lah. As I say, apa permintaan dia? Okay, there are a few things they want you to do from here. Okay, first of all, they want you to draw, okay, magnetic field lines. Then they want you to know the current. Number 3, of course, the polarity. Polarity means where is the north, where is the south. Then you must understand how to start. Again, what's the first step to start? You must know the direction of the current flow. The current must be there. You know the current, then you will know the magnet. You know the magnet, then you should know how to draw the field. Okay, how to start? You must know the current. How to continue? Use the right hand to find north and south. What is the answer? You have to draw the line. North go out, south come in. Okay, let me show you now. I use a green pen representing the current now. So if this is turning on, positive, negative, current coming out from here, correct or not? So now current will come to this wire, they will go to this side, this side, this side. I don't want to draw so much of arrow later, confused. So the current will continue to flow here. Then they will go this side, this side, this side, this side. Then the current will go back. Okay or not? And because of that, they will cause, listen carefully, please pay attention now. They will make this part of it becoming a magnet. So what magnetic field is this? Find out. How about here? What magnet is this? And this is also making a magnet here. What is a pole? What is a pole? Find out. Okay, the first thing I want you to do now is, please find out the pole, okay, of this, where the current is flow. Okay, it's either north or south only. Please find out now. I give you 1 minute. Okay, find out what are the 4 position. Where's the north, where's the south? All done? Some of you already give me the answer. Good, so far so good. The answer you provide for me. So far so good. Some more. I want to try. Semua kena cuba. Belum cuba, belum tahu. Sudah cuba, baru tahu tak tahu. Falsafah. Falsafah ini namanya falsampah. All done? Okay, so far so good dah bagi yang siapa yang berikan jawapan. Ayo. Okay, never mind. The screen not big enough, sorry. Okay, so far so good. Okay, you see what happened is that. Bagian tak dapat. This part, how? Current come down. Sorry ini tak cukup besar saya punya screen. Okay, so come back to here, come here. How you gonna place your hand? Again, if you're not confident with this, you can turn the whole diagram. But actually, no need also can. You can use your hand. You see, this is like that. You grip your hand, no? You look at this. Look at this arrow, and this arrow. Is it the same? It is the same. If you turn like that, you can see this arrow. Can you see this arrow? And this arrow, they are not the same. Biar bermana tangan kamu salah. So you must understand this is called right hand grip rule. Petua genggaman tangan kanan means you imagine your tangan kena genggam, you kena pegang dia. Pegang itu method, pegang. You pegang macam ni ke macam ini? Sepegang macam ni tak boleh. Janganlah. Understand tak? Ini menegak. Understand tak? So you pegang macam ini ataupun macam ini. So you pegang macam ni, you dapati this arrow and this arrow exactly the same. Can you see? This arrow same. So arrow same, thumb up. Bermakna this must be a north. Bermakna bawah dia mesti south. Same thing goes here. Like that. Goes up. Okay? Sorry, dia autofocus. So this is like this. So ini north, bawah south. Understand? Yeah, no. That's why I say that this is one of the greatest challenge I have in my entire 20 over years of teaching. Is teaching what we call hand without looking at your hand. Okay? That's why I hope you can follow me tight. Okay, please. Okay? So bermakna saya akan dapati this is a north pole, this is a south pole, this is a north pole, this is a south pole. Okay or not? Belum habis lagi. So there are one more part they want you to do is called magnetic field pattern. How do a magnetic field pattern? North go out, south come in. Okay, I give you 1 minute, you draw first. So you see, that's a problem now. If this one, if I do in front of you, I can see how you draw. So I can correct you on the spot. But now, as I said, I can't see you. Okay, I can't see you. Okay, if you want, okay, if you want, you can maybe you print screen or what, you share your screen. Okay, you just send a file to me, a picture file. Let me see if you want me to check for you. But of course, I will draw for you also. But I want you to try first. I want you to try first. Okay, I give you 1 minute. Quick. Take some candy first. Done? Okay. 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 It's okay. You cannot share me the screen. It's okay. Or one of you already share me. Let me see. Okay. Not really true. Some of you already share me your screen. I mean, you just screenshot lah. Screenshot your screen. You just send me the file, the picture file. Some of you already did that. Not really true. Never mind. It's okay. I show you. Okay. First of all, I want you to understand this. Okay. You see, I think most of you will do this. Okay, but don't copy first. North go out, betul? South come in, betul? Then north like this, betul? Then like this, betul? Then like this, betul? Correct not? This side, just now the student sent me the picture, like this, like this. Oops, sorry, arrow the other way. Let me erase this. Okay, like this. Then like this, something like that. Okay, same thing go the other side lah, symmetrical one. Okay, if this is a correct answer, I will say this is extremely wrong. Okay, lukisan ni memang salah. For whoever did this, please erase it. This is completely wrong. Ni tak betul. Understand? Mengapa tak betul? Let me explain to you over here. You see a class, that's why no one understand this and no one ask me also. You see, let's say if I giving you a magnet, this is North Pole, this is South Pole, for example. How to draw magnetic field? Oh, you will say North goes out. Am I right? South come in. Ini memang benar punya. Memang tak ada masalah. Ini adalah mengikut ramalan daripada compass. Okay? This is according to prediction of the compass. But the thing is I want to highlight here is why this magnetic field go out, right? Straight line, right? Why the next magnetic go out? Dia curve. Why it curve? Mengapa dia tak straight? Why like that? You see, no one asked me. You see, class, you must understand. This subject is called physics. Physics, everything must have a reason. Understand not? This is not chemistry. Understand not? That one no reason. Tak apa. Understand not? Tak apa. Is that clear? Then, okay, that one just tak apa. Tak ada reason, tak apa. Just memorize only, okay? You just memorize only. Understand not? Okay? Okay? So, is it like the magnetic field in the middle? Okay, you see, no, listen first, don't ask question first, I show you what happened. Why that band? Mengapa dia bengkok? Why not it just draw a straight line? Mengapa dia tak keluar straight? Why not it just go straight like that? Correct not? Why dia bengkok? Okay, the reason is like that. Kamu kena faham. Okay, if I zoom out, zoom more bigger for you. You see, kamu bayangkan, this magnet sebenarnya, dia nak keluar, dia pun nak keluar straight punya. You also want to go straight. Because north punya magnet nak keluar. Ni keluar. You want to go straight. But you know what happened? North, right, is always get attracted by the south. South is at the back, di belakangnya. So ini menyebabkan magnetic field ini semasa dikeluarkan is partially attracted. Okay, sebahagian daripada dia tertarik kepada south. That's why the north dia bengkok. Mengapa bengkok? Dia tertarik sedikit kepada south di belakang. So mengapa tengah-tengah ni tak ditarik? Sebab you see, this one also the same thing, is partially attracted to the south. That's why dia bengkok atas. Mengapa tengah-tengah tak? Setengah-tengah masih ada. Mengapa? Sebab semasa dia keluar, dia juga tertarik kepada south. Tapi south tertarik dari sini, tarik. Sini pun tarik. Dua-dua tarik pada masa yang sama, menyebabkan it goes straight. Understand or not? But this one, the one at the bottom, because it's nearer to the south, that's why they bend a bit. Dia bengkok sikit. Understand or not? Everything must have a reason. Why they bengkok? Why they turn? Because they are partially attracted by the south at the back. Same thing. The south field, right, is also partially attracted to the north. Just like that. That's why they bengkok. And some of the field just coming out at the side here. Yang coming out at the side, tepat tepi, keluar saja, dia completely attracted to the south. That's why they turn all the way to the back. Completely attracted to the south. They turn all the way to the back. Understand or not? That's the entire idea of the magnetic field lines. Got it? Got it? Okay, the middle one force in equilibrium. Yes, you can say that. The middle one forces equilibrium. Because both sides tarik at the same time. Both sides pull at the same time. It's okay. So once you understand why the field go that way, then you should know why. Your diagram just now, some of you, the one who sent me, or the one that mentioned, who is that? Is wrong. Why this is wrong? Okay, let me show you again. Let me erase everything. Okay, first of all, let's go back to the current again first. Current, positive, negative. Current go this way. So current, go this way. Current, like this. Okay or not? Okay, let me zoom a bit bigger for you. Okay, now, when you draw the magnetic field, how you draw? It's like this. North is going out. There's no problem. Okay, just now we already find out. Kita sudah tahu ini north, ini south. Ini north juga, ini south juga. Correct or not? Okay, now, north, is it bengkok like that? Ini tak ada masalah. Partially attracted. South going in, partially attracted. Okay, north all the way to the south. Itu pun tak ada masalah. Okay, masalah di sini. Here, can I draw like this? No, cannot. Why cannot? This one bend, dia bengkok sebabkan apa? Why they bend? Because of partially attracted to the south at the back. Correct or not? They partially attracted to the south at the back. But you must understand now, when the field want to go out, they're partially attracted, right? But you must understand, who is the next door? It's the north. So north also go out, you know. Can they get attracted? No. I want to go out. You also go out. Correct. Both also north. Am I right? Saya mau bengkok, you mau pun mau bengkok juga. So dua-dua kamu kena faham. North is repel. So mereka tak mampu bengkok. So they will go straight all the way only. Understand? They go straight all the way here. Same thing go to the south. Is it okay? Then another one. Is it possible for the turn all the way to the back? No. No chance at all. Mengapa no chance? You see, because I go out, you also go out. I want to turn, you want to turn, both also want to turn. Cannot. So cannot. They go straight all the way. That means nothing go to the back at the middle. Another way, the middle actually is empty. You will see like this only. Middle is empty. So that is the actual answer. All right, that's the actual answer. Okay, this is the answer supposed to be. Copy down into your notes. Okay, so let me see any question. Okay, someone's still coming in now. With exam question ask why the magnetic field turn out that way. No, they won't ask you why turn out that way. In your syllabus, actually, they only will ask you why the direction of the field go that way. The direction of the field go that way because of the prediction of the compass. Okay, teacher, if it's slightly attracted, then we make it parallel. What do you mean? If it's slightly attracted, then we make it parallel. No, it's not attracted at all, because the north is going out this side go out, this side also go out, correct or not? So you bend because you're attracted. Imagine that you go out, right? You want to bend because what? You're attracted to the back here, south. Imagine you go out, here is a south, so you're attracted to the south. You want to go to the back, ma. But now you go out, you want to turn. Can you turn? Cannot, because next door also north. I also north, you also north. So I want to turn, you also turn, cannot turn. So all the way straight. Middle, nothing at all. Understand or not? Nothing at all. That means no magnetic field at the middle there. Okay? Copy down quick. Once you're done, we try another one. Okay? We try another one. Done, everyone? Sudah ke belum? Done, huh? All right, thank you for a response. Okay, let's try another one. I believe that you learned it from your school already, right? Your school got some kind of virtual class with you also, if I'm not wrong. Your teacher never mentioned this also. Okay, never mind. Let's look at this one. No class also. PowerPoint only. Oh, PowerPoint only mean it's like like that only lah. Actually, I would say that this MCO, this what we call pandemic is something like dream come true. A lot of students that don't want to go to school, and finally your wish come true. You know, to go to school. All right. Okay. So far, understand now what's going on. That's why I said I try my very best to show it to you, because if you see me in person, that would be easier for me to explain lah. But now because it's virtual, so I try my best to answer you. I hope you can understand. If you don't, let me know. I try my best to bring up the screen whatever I can do. I will try. Okay. They just tell us to read the topic. Terrible lah. Okay, never mind. It's okay lah. Let it be lah. So I can show 4A again. 4A means which part? The North Pole, South Pole again. Everything again. Wow, that is very tough. Siapa tu? KD student? What do you mean by no? Which part again? You want to mean by which part? 4A, I thought a lot. The picture. Oh, you want to copy the picture? Oh, okay. Can. I thought you want me to explain everything again. I'm gonna cry. School teacher just gives soalan or quiz to answer. I tell you, if you keep going on like that, I don't know what will happen to SPM. I'm gonna screw up. I tell you, I'm gonna screw up because government MOE assuming that you learn. According to them, there's a module that the school teacher need to follow and to teach you. But seems like school teacher take for granted. That's very bad. Luckily, got great teacher like Mr. Lo. Thank you. Thank you. I just try my best to help, as I said. That's why some people say like last Friday, some people say I'm the one of the teacher that used most of the technology thing to teach, because I want to have the best to you lah. Okay, for me, my aim is very simple actually. Like some of you know that, okay, teaching is just not my full-time job. I have my own thing to do one. So teaching actually is my hobby. I consider I like to share, and I want to be part of your history of your life. I just be like that. That's my aim only. Okay, at least one day you grow up, you will remember there's such a person. Okay, such a person. Okay, in your life teach you physics in this kind of difficult moment. Okay, just like that. All right, can So that's why I want to make you, because life is like a journey lah. I hope I will be one of the page of your journey. So it's a memorable page lah. That's always say, I always have that kind of aim only. Okay, can now? Okay, done now. Some of you give so many messages only. I always remember you. Okay, thank you. My MS Physics, Bio Physics, blah, 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 never teach since MCO. Okay, fine, that's better. You and your Tony Stark house. Thank you. Sir, business, I'm apply. Okay, I do understand. Sir, I invite you to my wedding in future. Yes, seriously. I never attend. Oh, yeah, I attend once. My student wedding once. He's already 28, I think. Yes. Okay, I'll attend once. Please, anyone wedding or what, baby or whatever, invite me, okay? Business, okay, yeah? No, okay. You are the best physics teacher. Thank you. Thank you for the commitment and time to spend the teaching. Oh, thank you. Yes. Oh my God, sir, you are that old. Yes, actually, I'm quite old, but I just enjoy my life. I told you I've been teaching for 20 over years. What? 20, let me think. How many years is there? 24 years. In the middle, it's called neutral point. You can consider that as a neutral point. I thought you was always 16. No, I'm always 17. Mr. Jamie told BYU teacher that you are old, sir. Yeah. Actually, I am. I'm not that young. All right. I'm very old. My school teacher teach it. Oh, this center, I don't want to mention it. Okay. It's a conflict. Okay. It's okay, huh? Okay, let's still have time. How about this one? Same thing, huh? Same thing. Let's do it. Okay, let's do it together. Okay, we have a few more minutes. So actually, my teacher make a lot of online classes, but only half or less a student attend. But you got baby face, sir. Look young. No lah, old folks already lah. Where got look young? You make me happy lah. Teacher, my brother still remember you, even though you might thought him 9 years. Oh shit, is it? 9 years ago, my student. That's why I say 20 over years. Okay. No lah, where got look young man? No lah. Old folks already lah. Been teaching so long. Okay, huh? Okay, come back. Okay, now we do it together. Do it together. So when you connect this, positive, negative. So current go like this. Go this way a bit different already. They turn the other way, like that. Then they go back, they go to the negative. Okay, current, can you follow? Okay or not? Okay, use your hand, very quick. Use your hand, you can find the answer. Okay, so this is gonna be, let me check. This is the north. This is gonna be the south. Okay, this is the south. This is the north. Got it? Siapa tak dapat ni? You see, I also need to use a hand to find answer also. Please use your hand to find. Teacher, the middle, the share line. No. Okay, this student. Oh, I know who you are. Okay, wait. You will know later. Okay, you see, look at it. Are you ready? Let's do it before we end. North, go out. South, come in. North, partially attracted, can. South, partially attracted, can. North, all the way go to the south. Tak ada masalah. Betul or not? North. Can I do like that? Class, can I do like that? Instead of straight, can I? Can, because the next door is a south. So tak ada masalah. Tak ada masalah. You can do that. Tak ada masalah. Same thing for the south. Tak ada masalah. Next, can I do like this? North to the south? Yes or no? Yes or no? No. Okay, no. You must understand, mengapa north nak pergi ke belakang south? Because the north is attracted to who? It's attracted to south. Betul tak? You are attracted to the south. But you must understand, semasa magnet ini, let me draw a bit big. Yeah, zoom a bit big for you. So when this north magnet go out, right? Dia nak pergi south, betul tak? Why this one want to go so far to the back? Kan ada sebelah kan lebih dekat, right? Correct or not? They just directly go to the next. Understand or not? They don't need to go to the back. Is that clear? Just like you have a girlfriend, stay in Selayang or Kepong, near to your housing area, you just go for that. Lah. Why you want to find a girlfriend in Johor Bahru? You know what I say? It's so far. Same thing. This south, you can do like that. Tak ada masalah. Like this. North go out, tak ada masalah. Partial attract, tak ada masalah. Yang ini, go straight away. Tak ada pergi ke belakang. Just go the side will do. Partial attracted. Ini boleh pergi belakang. North to the south. That is the actual answer. Like a pineapple. All right? Write it down. Okay or not? Any question? Okay, done? Question C adalah soalan pembina semangat. You tak tahu buat question C ya, you lah, I tell you. Question C I purposely put there one. Okay, I just put it for fun. Question C is kacang putih maximum punya gila punya kacang. Understand? I purposely put there one. Siapa tak tahu buat question C ya? I don't know what to say. I purposely put the question C. I just afraid that maybe some of you A tak dapat, B pun tak dapat. Nanti lemas semangat. Ayo tak mau belajar fizik lah sir. Fizik susah. Understand? So that's why I purposely put that. Okay. Don't tell me you don't know. That's a homework. Okay. So before I end, a quick reminder. Next week, we still have a lesson, obviously. Okay. Still have a lesson, obviously. So next week, I'm going to move into Fleming hand. I need your left hand. So please take care of the left hand. Right hand, I don't need anymore. Put in the pocket. Next week, I need this hand. I want this hand. Beautiful left hand. I need this. Next week. Okay? Can? Cut it off. Huh? You're going to cut your hand. Jangan lah. Don't be so violent. We are highly educated. Okay? This hand. Make sure you must have this hand. Okay? So before I end the session today, any question to ask? Anything? Anything to ask? No one? Okay, that's all for today. Hope you can enjoy your life. And I really, really wish that we can see each other again very, very soon. Hopefully. Take care, everyone. Stay healthy. All right. Stay safe. Bye-bye.